This video I'm going to walk you through how to see community posts on YouTube. The first thing you do is open up your YouTube app and then go to the where you want to see the post. Let's say I want to see the community post for this one. I tap on it, not like that. Tap on the name of the channel, so it will take you to the channel, and then the next thing, slide to the left until you see community. Slide to the left until you see community, and that's it. Now you can see the community post in this particular channel. So you can do this for any channel. Let's try it for another channel. What about this one? Tap on it, the name of the channel, then slide a little up here till you see community, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.